Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's be creative today. Let's learn to create this black smoky with glitter in a very easy way. Let's get started. You can do this look for a New Year party, even as a wedding guest makeup look. I'm taking wet and wild eyeshadow palette. You can take any one you have. Just take a transition shade and apply it on your circuit, this way like I am doing. A very light brown or saffron color will be best. After applying the eyeshadow, I'm taking a blending brush and blending the eyeshadow. It should not be prominent. Now I'm taking a little black eyeshadow. This is an easy trick if you're a beginner, if you don't know how to do smoky eyes. It is going to be your guideline, so that it does not mess up and you don't have that black smoky eyes above your transition shade. With the help of a very simple Kajal pencil, you can do the smoky look. You can see how am I applying the Kajal on my lids. After that, quickly you need to put on the black eyeshadow wherever you've applied the Kajal nicely, and then you need to blend it. It's going to get dried, so you need to be quick and you just need to blend, diffuse the edges first. So the edges should not be harsh. You need to blend it very well to give that smoky effect. If you have a gel eyeliner, that will also look absolutely stunning. But if you don't have a gel eyeliner, but still you want to go for smoky, you can just do with the Kajal simply. Now I'm just tight lining my waterline. I'm not going to apply eyeliner. You don't have to. If you want, it's optional. It gives a very intense look, so I like to do that. I have applied the white Kajal and now I'm just putting on the black Kajal on my lower lash line. After applying the Kajal on my lower lash line, I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and I'm going to blend it so that it does not smudge. That will also help my eyes to open up. Once you're done with blending with your black eyeshadow, just take a little bit of your transition shade that you used above and just use it again below your black eyeshadow. Taking a highlighter, I just highlighted my brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes to highlight them and give that shiny look. And I'm applying a Coda mascara from Maybelline Colossal. I have also applied PAC falsies, and that's a little natural, not that heavy. This looks stunning without glitter as well, but glitter gives you a kind of different look, a glamour look. If you want, you can put a glitter. The best way to put glitter is with the help of your index finger rather than using brush. Let me know guys, how did you like this black smoky eyes with glitter, and even without glitter you can carry. Do let me know in the comment section below. And please do subscribe to my channel if you've not, and if you've subscribed, then give a thumbs up and share it to your loved one. Bye bye.